Mga kapitbahay, tayo po ngayon ay magbubukas ng ating package mula sa Lazada. Yan. So itong ating package ay gitara. Napaka-delikado mag-order ng gitara sa online, but mas makakamura kasi pag bumili tayo sa online pag dito ka sa isla kumpara sa bumili ka dito sa mga tindahan. Okay, subukan natin. Sana ay maging okay itong ating binili. Yan.
Okay guys, we're going to do cutting.
Subukan natin buksan.
My turn, Papa.
What?
Papa, wait. You start here, okay? You start here.
Where?
Here. The hole.
Okay.
My turn now. Your turn.
My turn? Okay. How about you open first from the top?
You do it by the bottom.
Okay. Exciting.
Ito.
Okay lang yan. Oh, enough na. Oopsie.
Ang kitawang.
Wow.
Ano ito? Ano ito?
So, ito yung kanyang pick up. Ang capo niya. Davies pa rin ang brand.
This mine?
At ang kanyang string. Extra string. Kanyang sling. Wire para sa amplifier.
This one is mine. White.
No, this is for the guitar.
This one is mine.
Oh, it's for guitar. You are my son,
But this
and
one,
I am your
this
papa.
one is mine. This one is mine. And then the new one. Yeah.
So okay naman po ang tunog niya. Malambot siya ngayon kasi sinadya daw nila na palambutin ang string. I-adjust na lang natin,
So,
higpitan natin
ako.
ito mamaya.
What is this
How about
one
we
for?
sing?
What is this one for?
That is for the pick like this.
That one is you didn't know we need that for singing.
Oh, we need. How about we sing your favorite
This-
song?
Don't you?
What is your favorite song?
We're going to do your favorite song.
What's your favorite song?
We're going to do your favorite
Oh,
song.
my favorite song na lang? Okay.
After yours, my next.
Okay, my favorite song is Read Your Bible.
That one is my favorite song too.
Oh, we have the same?
Yeah.
Oh, let's sing Read Your Bible. No, Papa lang will. You will the one sing, okay? What?
Read your Bible. Going up.
What?
Going up. That's how the Read Your Bible makes by guitar.
Okay.
Going down is different song.
How about Papa will tune up this one first because this is a low pitch. Okay? O you sit down first, Papa will tune it up. So, tinasa natin ng konti kasi kanina one whole step yung kanyang baba. So, ngayon standard na itong tunog.
How like me walk?
Okay. Marunong pa. You sing na.
We're not going to sing, we're going to recognize the song.
Oh. Read your Bible, pray every
Quiet.
day.
We're not going to sing.
What we going to do? I thought you want to sing your favorite song.
We're going to tune it.
Already tuned. Papa tune it already. Read your Bible, pray
Quiet.
every day. Pray every day. Read your Bible, pray every day. And you grow.
This one is our favorite song.
Okay. And you grow. And you grow. Let's hold that one. Read your Bible, pray every day, and you grow.
I did it without talking. We're going to clean up. It's not time to sing. We need to clean up. Let's Papa, stop. It's time to clean up, but it's not time to sing.
It's time to clean up. Okay, let's clean up our house. Say bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay. Mga kapitbahay, maganda ang tunog ng Davies. Hindi ako binigo sa aking pagbili online. So kung gusto niyo pong bumili ng ganito, Davies, may pick up siyang kasama. Around 2,000 plus. Mas mura yung walang pick up. Around 1 plus, 1.3 like that. So mas mura siya. Ilagay ko ang link nitong gitara kung gusto niyo pong bumili online. Kailangan namin talagang bumili ng gitara. Kasama kasi yung gitara namin dito dati na maliit, nasira na. So bumili ako ng medium size, hindi masyadong malaki, magaan lang din siya para magamit natin sa ating vanlife. Okay, ngayong taon kasama ko ang aking family, pero this week kami lang ng anak ko yung magkasama dito sa van. So palipat-lipat kami ngayon, dito kami sa Coron. Mamaya o bukas ng umaga doon naman kami sa Busuanga. The following day babalik naman kami dito sa Coron by Thursday para sundin yung mama nito. Yan. Mayroon tayong ginagawa, busy tayo ngayong week, pero mabuti dumating itong gitara magamit sa ating gawain. Okay, gitara, purpose nito para mayroon tayong accompaniment sa tuwing umaga at gabi natin na worship. Okay, paalam, bye-bye. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Matagal tayong hindi naka-upload, pero sana maka-upload tayo soon ng marami pa.